Hey guys, I'm Paul with Guys Outdoors. So I'm going to be doing a little unboxing slash, running you guys through my mystery tackle box. Stay tuned. Alright, so the deal with this is I have already opened this and I've kind of looked through some of the lures and yeah, so some of them are going to be opened, so they're not going to be in the original package. Next time I get one of these, I'll try to, do kind of a more clean unboxing with you guys, and just do it unopened, and, open it for the first time, basically. So yeah, getting right into this. Again, mystery tackle box, just the regular one, $15. So, basically on top here, was, the bait card, with some, tips and tricks from MTB, and then also, giving me a list. And then this one, this is actually my first MTB, so they gave me this little, kind of a little, welcome pamphlet kind of thing. So, wow. But, yeah. So, I guess I'll just show you all the kind of the first thing on the list and run through some of this stuff. So, the first thing on this list, I was actually really surprised that I got that, I got this in the MTB, is a Lucky Craft pointer, sort of a jerkbait, stick bait by Lucky Craft. Really, really high quality. Like, really nice, jerkbait. Have not used it yet, but we will get to that soon. The hooks are absolutely, like, razor sharp. I actually hooked myself the first day I took this out of the package. So yeah, that'll be really nice. The thing that makes this amazing is the Lucky Craft pointer is $15.99. So you've already paid for the price of your box with literally this thing right here. So that was pretty cool. It's got some rattles. The coloring on this, I don't even know what that is. Like, it's really, really nice. It's kind of a ghost, kind of a little bit of shad maybe. So that's pretty awesome. Put that right there. Okay. Okay, so the next thing on the list is the Roadrunner Randy's Swimmin' Runner, which is $7 or $6.99. So basically it came in a pack of 2, and it's these little swim baits. Haven't tried these yet either. They're both the same, except for this one has sort of a little creature head on it with a it's basically tube rigged onto a creature head, and then it has a pretty big hook on it, and then a little willow leaf kind of spoon on there. So this one's kind of like, hey, this is what it would look like to rig it up, and this is what you can do. And this one's like, do it yourself kind of thing. Like, you can do whatever you want. So I think this one will actually be really nice. It's got a cool little barrel swivel on there. I've never seen one of those before, so that's but yeah, these will be really nice. Nice glittering on the back, and then just kind of a pearl underbelly there. Next thing on the list is the Catch Company Gator Hogs. This is $3. These are awesome looking. Nice little kind of creature bait. Comes with 8 of them. Basically, it's kind of like a little, I guess, like crawfish maybe kind of thing. These will work absolutely beautifully. Smell really interesting. These will work beautifully on a trailer for my Bitsy Bug mini jigs. These will be really nice. I'm definitely going to trailer these because they're pretty long and stuff. I'm also going to do some Texas rigging, kind of Carolina rigging stuff with the Gator Hogs here. But yeah, again, $3. So yeah. And then next thing on the list is the Carolina kit, little rig kit. It's actually from MTB. They kind of put this together. A couple weights, barrel swivels, beads, and then some little clankers there. $3. Pretty cool. So you can kind of do it yourself there. And then we have the Stickies Offset Worm Hook, which is $2.10. Comes with 3 of them. Just open these up real quick. Ooh. These are really, really big. You can see that right there. Those will be nice. Basically, I think what they're trying to do here is give you a nice hard bait option, a soft bait option, hard bait, which is with, you know, ooh, that is really sharp. Wow, okay. Hard bait option, which is with the Lucky Craft. Swim bait, or soft, which is with, you know, these little road runners. And then also they kind of give you a put together, like, put a little leader on these little offset hooks. Use the Carolina kit to rig up your line, and then you can go ahead and Texas rig these, Carolina rig these onto the offset hooks. So yeah, this is pretty much all that, you know, was in it. One more thing that did come with it was a little sticker, basically like a kind of MTB logo sort of thing. But my brother already put that on his cooler. So yeah. So that's basically it. Again, it's $15. You can also get the Pro, which is $25. I actually got this box for $5 because I got a promo code on it for $10 off your first box. They're pretty easy to find. So yeah, I would really recommend this. I'm really excited to use some of this stuff, especially, you know, the Lucky Craft, and then this little swimming runner is gonna be really nice. So yeah, I will see you guys later.